Hello everyone! O mga Itechiwa! In today's video, another OLA na naman ang ating hihimay-himayin. Ngayong jaraw na Itechi. Sino ba ito? Siya si MoreGold? Sino ite? MoreGold? OLA? Ano na marami tong gold? Nakakaloka. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Huwag na nating patagalin. Pasok, MoreGold. Akira Bells. So, nandito si Akira. MoreGold libreng loan up daw. Libre. Talaga? Ililibre nyo kami, MoreGold. So, under siya ni Thrift Platinum Lending Corp daw. Taray. Tignan natin. Okay, about this app. So, himay-himay natin. Start with the app. Product information. Ito na naman yung product information nila. So, ang loan amount daw is minimum of 5,000 pesos to 30,000 pesos. Taray ha. Loan term is 120 days to 270 days. At saka APR or interest is 18% to 20%. Laki naman. Other fees. Transparent without any other hidden fees daw. May service fee dahil. 5% to 10%. We will deduct your loan amount with a one-time service fee upon disbursement. Ito na naman tayo eh. Okay. So, meron siyang, ang corporate name niya is Thrift Platinum Lending Corp. Tapos, ang OLA niya is MoreGold. So, may SEC registration daw siya. Check nyo kung SEC registered siya. Okay. Now, i-check natin ang reviews. Siyempre, napaka-importante din talaga mag-check din tayo ng mga reviews yung mga talagang nakapag-apply na ng mga kajutangan dito sa OLA na ite. So, wag nating i-deadmatology ang mga ratings and reviews sa Play Store or App Store, diba? Check natin. Taray, may pa 5-star dito. It's really easy to use daw. It's a great mobile loan platform. It's quick to review and borrow money fast and the interest is low. Pang ano talaga Sino ba itong mga nag-review? Hala, baka mga ano lang din, mga OLA agent din to. No. Okay, ito isa. Tried to apply, it was fast and I was given the option to choose from a set of loans which were all the same amount. But before I submitted, there was no way to check how much you'll actually get and the repayment date. Diba? Ganyan yung mga most of the OLAs, yung mga karamihan ng mga OLAs, hindi nila sasabihin kung magkano ang a-applyan mo until you submit the application. Doon lang nila sasabihin kung magkano. Tapos, diba? Without knowing na napakababang amount lang pala. Okay, sabi niya, I still submitted but found out they're getting 1.5 of management fees with a repayment date of 7 days. 7 days only, te. So, may 1.5 na management fees. Grabe naman yan. So, kung yung iba, sinasabi, mababa yung interest niya, binawi naman sa management fees, other fees, and hidden charges. Nakakaloka. So, you get ripped off 1.5 and need to pay it in less than a week. What a great way to spend a new year. I shouldn't have gone through it. Nagkautang pa siya, bagong taon, may jutang. Nakakalurky. Tapos ito pa. This is totally a scam. I already made payment but the loan is still outstanding. It haven't processed despite I already made a payment. This application should not be ignored. This should be blocked or reported and be deleted to prevent other people from getting into this. I made the payment but still they kept on sending me harassing text message to collect payment. Ayan na. Please Google, don't let them scam others. O baka naman Google, bakit hinahayaan yung makapasok tong mga OLA na ganitechi? Alam nyo naman scammers sila. So ito pa may nagsabi, this loan is scam. I applied for 3 5 loan options hoping for validation even just for one, but they will process all the application and will automatically send you the money. Wala. Auto disbursed. Imagine, for a total of 10,500, I only got 1,960 amount and 2,000 amount. So, bale, ano siya, 3,960 lahat. Tapos, yung total na babayaran is 10,500. Paano nangyari yon? What the? Gumanon pa siya. The management fees are out of this world. Don't download this app. It's a scam. I won't pay this kind of amount. I will sue you, sabi. Nakakalokang management fees, ha? So, ang problema naman dito sa MoreGold na to management fees. So, may mga hidden charges silang mga ganyan, oh. Paano nakakapasok yung mga ganito, Google? Tsaka, paano pasok sa, sa SEC? I-open nga natin yung app. Taray, MoreGold. Okay, so ito na. May pa-notice. So, kailangan nila ng SMS, app listahan ng app sa phone. Tapos, selected contacts. Ay, may bago silang term ngayon na selected contacts. Hindi na emergency contacts. Location, hindi nawawala. Camera, device, yun yung mga gusto nilang i-grant mo para ma-access daw nila. Sige nga, i-agree natin para masilip natin. Allow MoreGold to send and view. Sige, allow ko lang for the first. Apply in seconds. Microfinance. 30,000 pesos yung yung maximum na loan amount nila. Tapos ang length or loan term is 120 days at saka 270 days. Okay, let's see, 120 days kunwari. Tapos may paano pa sila doon, binibidan nila yung logo ng SEC na naman, Instantly apply. Okay, kailangan nilang phone number syempre. Okay, instantly apply. Okay, identity information. Your data is only used for MoreGold credit eligibility assessment daw. So, ito yung kinukuha nila, yung ID nyo. Tapos, kailangan nila ng personal information, marital status. Okay, kailangan nila ng work information. Contact information, So, kailangan nila ng actually total of 5 contacts. Pero yung dalawa doon, optional na lang. So, 3 lang yung required nila, may pa-facial recognition na siya.
No.
Please erect the cellphone. Place face into the portrait frame. Adequate light, no cover on face. Ba yan? Erect daw, erect. Iga-grant daw yung camera. Recognition success. Nagkukulang ako ng impormasyon dito, Wala man lang siyang nilagay na mga fees dito, kung magkano yung interest niya dito mismo sa app. Di ba? Hindi ba kayo magtataka sa MoreGold? Ano ba? Marami bang gold dito? Wala naman akong makita, Nakakaloka. So, wag na kayong wag nyo na itong uninstall na natin. Alam nyo ng scam to. So, wag nyo nang apply yan. Nakakaloka. So, check na nga natin tong banner na. Automatic approval daw and flexible lending. Wala masyadong pagkakakilanlan, Hindi mo man lang alam kung magkano yung interest. Lagi yung sinasabi dito, no credit history, no upfront payments, and very low interest. Magkano nga yung interest niya per month? Wala man lang kayong sinasabi. Again guys, be careful. Wag basta-basta mag-apply ng mga ganitong OLA. Kung jujutang man kayo, piliin nyo kung ano yung legit na jutangan. Like mga bangko, mga ganon. So, dapat careful kayo sa pag-provide ng mga informasyon dito kasi delikado. Naglipa ng mga scammer ng mga OLA. Do not install. Uninstall nyo agad-agad yung mga yan. Anyways, maraming salamat sa pagtutok and don't forget to subscribe. Please click the notification bell para every time magkakaroon tayo mga ganitetsyo ang mga video, review sa mga ola-ola, kayo ang unang matatalsikon. Thank you guys. Bye. Kakala ko MoreGold libreng loan daw. Paanong libre eh? Ang dami mong fini-fill up. Libre daw to? Eh? Wise. Madamay pa yung cellphone ko. Alam baka masira. Alright. Kakaloka. Uninstall. Baka makuha pa yung impormasyon ko.